What's up, folks? Back at it again with another do-it-yourself or DIY. I took it to the shop and it kept on the code P0455, indicates that Evap. So this is the canister vent solenoid. It's the old one. Actually, it took me less than like 6-7 minutes. Pop in, pop out on a 2013 Ford F150 Larry 4x4 5.0. So this the code. So it was too hot. I was out here early. It was burning up. Went in the house after running the air and came back, took me a quick nap. It's like going on 7:30. Came out real quick. So I'm gonna show you where it's at, where it's located. It's the front of the truck. This part right here. Go to the driver's side. Right here. To get it off, pull your harness off, push in just a little bit that way and push up. Once you push up, it unlocks just a little bit, but you have to put the other one in the same way you pulled it out. So when you put it in, go back in, push. You're gonna have to push because it was a little bitch to push it back in. You're gonna have to put pressure on it. Then once you get it in, you pull it down this way and it's gonna lock in. Once you get it locked in, give it a little tug. Make sure it don't come out. You don't want to be riding down the highway and just start dragging. So take your wire harness, plug back in, boom. That's simple. But before you do all that, I disconnected the negative battery post on my battery. So once you do all that, pretty much it's gonna reset itself. And that's the quickest DIY I ever had, man. Last thing I did was my spark plugs and my cord packs. Man, it took me a while to get them spark plugs out of there. Before that, I did my water pump, belts, pullers, all that stuff. Man, it took me 2 days to finish all that stuff. Now, I gotta concentrate. I think I got a little oil leak coming from somewhere, so I gotta work on that next. So